we are going to do something way more different. And you guys guess what it is. Today I'm going to show you the method I use. It's going to be trash. It's going to be super trash. So let's get into it. So the method I use consists of doing the CFOP and the F12 at the same time, and the beginner's method. So let me just give you an overview and I will teach you how to do this method. So first we would start with you. You could definitely hear a scrambling noise. My setup is really bad, so yeah, like always we would do the cross first. Yeah, my camera sound is so bad. Let me just improve it. This will make it go closer to here probably. Is this the closest it could go? That's just a dumb shit. Oof. Okay. Now we have something. Yeah. So then we would first do the cross. And then wait, what do we do? Sorry for the turbulence, if something has changed. So we would do our regular cross. Then in the beginner's method, we'll first put the corners and then the edges, but I would do F12 then. This would go here. So here's the one. We would do this for 3 more edges, and then we would be complete. After we have did the F12. Oh shit! I have not did the F12 properly. Let me just so yeah. This would go there like this. So yeah. After doing the F12, we would do one of the algorithms of the tulip kill, which is F R U R prime U prime F prime to create the cross. And instead of like instead of doing other algorithms in OLL, now we would do what we would do at the beginner's method. So we would line up all the edges like this. We would find the perfect corner, for example this, and then we would solve it. Yep, and then we would do and done. So I don't know the camera angle issues. My setup is really soft. Like you could see, this is my setup right now. So yeah. So this was my method. It sucked obviously. My setup also sucked. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. If you like the video, subscribe. If you like the video, could like it. And if you want to, you could subscribe. It uploads